Hey everybody, Rising Phoenix Antiques. We are looking at a late 20s, I believe, 1920s that is, wood grain Underwood standard portable typewriter. Functionally speaking, it seems to be in pretty good shape. So, I mean, all the keys are firm but not sticky. Everything seems to be working. The caps, the ribbon spools seem to be spinning as normal. The paper feed works. Of course, we don't have a ribbon in it, so we can't demonstrate the actual lettering. But a couple of things that you do need to know about it. Cosmetically, it's got a few smaller cosmetic issues here and there, but nothing major. And the wood grain finish does look beautiful. Biggest thing is it's missing the return bar. Not sure if that's something someone can find and replace. I mean, you can push it without, and it works just fine. The other thing is the feet on the bottom. Basically, you're looking at the threaded screw pegs, and the rubber is non-existent at this point. You can see some of the rubber feet left for the front ones right here, and this is where the back ones would slide into place, and they're gone. So that might be something as well that needs to be addressed. Beyond that, it looks complete. We did notice that this spring was laying in the bottom underneath the typewriter when we opened up the case. So we do have the top, of course, right here. It does, I believe it does lock into position, but the, I assume leather handle, the original leather handle is missing there. Other than that, I mean, it's a beautiful typewriter. We are going to price it appropriately on eBay where it will be for sale, considering that someone's going to try to find a couple parts and do some work on it. So, I mean, I know these can sell, $400+. We're going to chop that down and make it worthwhile. So that's it. Thanks for looking.